Hi, Jim Burrows here, OCRVCenter in beautiful Yorba Linda. Today I want to give you an update on the open road Allegro that came in a few months back. We're having a parts problem right now with COVID and such, but being such a new coach, 2021 coach, a little difficult with the parts. But what we've done in the meantime while we're waiting on parts, we've gotten the frame repaired, took the windshield out, got the whole front cap removed. I think we do have the new cap there over there on the side, or that's the old cap. We do have the new cap around here somewhere, but just keeping you updated. We got the fenders in, I think yesterday, waiting for some suspension parts from Ford. Having more problems with Ford than we are with Allegro right now, but nonetheless, we will continue to progress as the parts come in and keep you updated. Tune back in for the next update on the open road Allegro. Give us a call for all your big Class A motor coach needs here at OCRV.